Hello everyone. After my video unboxing and setting up the Roborock Saros 10, today we are going to test it thoroughly. Sold for around 1,500 euros, the Roborock Saros 10 positions itself as a high-end robot vacuum cleaner, designed to offer a cutting-edge automated cleaning experience. Here are its main features. Ultra-thin dimensions, with a height of 7.98 centimeters, allowing it to pass under low furniture. The robot's dimensions are 350 by 353 by 79.8 millimeters. The docking station measures 440 by 409 by 470 millimeters. It has a total weight of 16.4 kilograms. Its suction power is 22,000 pascals. It features a duo divide main brush and a FlexiArm riser side brush for comprehensive cleaning. Its VibraRise 4.0 cleaning system includes a vibrating mop. The mop is washed by the station at 80 degrees Celsius.
Starting to clean.
The Retract Sense navigation system with retractable Lidar is designed for precise mapping. It features reactive AI 3.0 obstacle recognition to avoid obstacles in real time. An Adapti lift chassis allows it to overcome obstacles and elevate itself on carpets. It includes intelligent carpet management. The RockDock Ultra Docking Station enables automatic dust emptying. It offers automatic mop washing and drying. It automatically refills the water tank. It automatically mixes water and detergent. Its 6,400 milliampere-hour lithium-ion battery provides excellent autonomy. Fast charging in 2.5 hours. This robot promises exceptional performance. Let's see if it lives up to its promises. Now let's move on to practical tests. To put the Saros 10 to the test, I deliberately dirtied all the rooms in the house. For its first cycle, I chose vacuuming first, followed by mopping. The robot intelligently left its mop in the station for the vacuuming phase. The Roborock Saros 10 is equipped with a main brush and a side brush designed to minimize tangles of hair and pet fur. The Duo Divide main brush uses an asymmetrical spiral arc to guide debris towards the suction inlet, while a flexible rubber deflector prevents hair from wrapping around the brush. The FlexiArm riser side brush, on the other hand, features longer bristles for better coverage and more efficient hair collection. Despite its claimed power of 22,000 pascals, some dust was left behind. Additionally, I never saw the extendable side brush deploy in the corners. Since the kitchen cleaning was not perfect, with some areas still dirty after the first pass, I decided to run another cycle. This time I used both vacuuming and mopping, starting at the kitchen entrance. The result was significantly better. During the mopping cycle, I also noticed that the robot returned to its station once to clean its mop before resuming its work where it left off. This is a positive aspect, as it ensures more effective cleaning and prevents dragging dirt across the surface.
Mop washed. Resuming cleaning.
The robot navigates smoothly around obstacles. However, unlike what I saw in other YouTube videos, the Saros 10 did not perform as expected. It got caught in my cables every time it passed, and even worse, it sucked up my bracelet and a ring. Despite these initial disappointments, the Saros 10 remains an excellent overall performer. It effectively cleaned most of the dirt, and its navigation system is very precise. To test the effectiveness of the Saros 10's vibrating mop, I set up a special test. I spilled coffee more than 15 hours ago, and the stain was completely dry and embedded in the floor. And I must say, the Saros 10 handled the challenge brilliantly. Thanks to its 2 sonic vibration zones, each vibrating 4,000 times per minute, its 8-Newton pressure, and its hot water washing system with automatic detergent dosing, it removed the stain effortlessly. However, I noticed that the robot struggled to clean grout lines properly. The mop cannot reach deep into the grooves, leaving some residue behind. This is something to consider if you have a lot of tiled floors with deep grout lines.
Finished cleaning. Returning to dock. Starting to wash the mop.
Hey Rocky,
I'm here.
stop cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
The Roborock Saros 10 is not just controlled via the app. It is also compatible with a smart voice assistant named Rocky. This is extremely convenient when your hands are full or when you want to start a quick cleaning session without using your phone. But that's not all. The Saros 10 can also be manually controlled via the app. You can steer it in any direction, like a remote-controlled car, and with its built-in camera, you can monitor your home remotely. You can access the live camera feed through the app and see what's happening at home, even when you're away. This adds an extra layer of security that is highly valuable. A really interesting feature of the Roborock Saros 10 is its ability to take photos of the obstacles it encounters. You can view these photos directly in the app by tapping on the obstacle icons on the map. This allows you to see exactly where the robot struggled and adjust your environment accordingly. The robot can also send you these photos in real time whenever it encounters an obstacle. This is very useful for monitoring the cleaning process remotely and ensuring everything is running smoothly. In summary, the Roborock Saros 10 offers a wide range of control and monitoring options, making it incredibly versatile and convenient. Strong points: ultra-thin design and retractable Lidar, perfect for low furniture. Effective floor cleaning with the vibrating mop. Comprehensive and efficient docking station, washing at 80 degrees Celsius. The drying of the mop after washing is very quiet. You can't hear it. Intuitive app and precise mapping. Smart navigation and obstacle avoidance, except for small objects. Weak points: very high price, hard to justify for everyone. Suction sometimes insufficient, leaving some dust behind. Conclusion: the Roborock Saros 10 is a robot vacuum that pushes the boundaries of technology with an innovative design and advanced features. However, its high price and imperfect suction performance may disappoint some users. If you are looking for a robot that can perfectly mop your floors and navigate with high precision, the Saros 10 is an excellent choice. But if suction is your absolute priority, you might find more powerful alternatives for a lower budget. It's up to you to decide whether the Saros 10's innovations justify its high price. That's it for this full review of the Roborock Saros 10. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support my work and make sure you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you all.